Looking for a shower curtain that combines style, durability, and easy maintenance? This waterproof polyester shower curtain with a sleek foliage design might be exactly what your bathroom needs. It's tailored to fit bathrooms with widths between 60 and 68 and a standard height of 72, offering a perfect fit without the hassle of a liner. Plus, its contemporary tan, brown, and chocolate tones bring a warm, natural vibe that elevates your space effortlessly. What sets this curtain apart is its thoughtful construction. Made from waterproof polyester, it resists water and dries quickly, making cleanup a breeze. The top features 12 sturdy grommets, so installation is simple and secure. At the bottom, a sewn-in string of spongy lead weights keeps the curtain hanging straight and prevents it from drifting while you shower. This detail might seem small, but it makes a huge difference in everyday use. No more annoying curtain cling or constant adjustments. From real users in the United States, this curtain earns praise for its soft yet durable material. It washes well and even irons easily, maintaining its fresh look over time. The neutral cream background with floral accents in coffee, brown, and subtle gray tones allows natural light to filter through without sacrificing privacy. It strikes a perfect balance, light enough to brighten your shower but opaque enough to keep things discreet. Customers appreciate that it feels substantial without being too heavy, making it comfortable and practical all at once. While the package includes one shower curtain, you'll need to pick up your own shower rod and hooks. Fortunately, decorative hooks and practical rings are available in our store to complement this curtain and complete your bathroom setup. This makes it easy to customize your look while ensuring everything works seamlessly together. If you want a shower curtain that looks great, performs well, and fits your space perfectly, this waterproof polyester option is worth considering. It offers a stylish upgrade without breaking the bank, backed by positive reviews from people who've made it a part of their daily routine. If that's you, ready to refresh your bathroom with something both functional and attractive, try it when you're ready.